For alt text in PowerPoint, find the object or image, and let's right-click it. Night Music by Mozart. It tells us a little bit. We could probably improve that quite a bit. Let's give it a shot. How about, this is the main theme from Night Music by Mozart, shown here in musical notation. All right, there we go. Let's look at an example in Microsoft Word. I'm going to view alt text. Currently, alt text reads, Ally indicators in Blackboard Ultra show your score range of accessible content. Okay, that's a pretty good example. So what would be a bad example? Maybe I erase some of this here and it just said maybe Ally indicators or just Ally. Doesn't really tell us anything. I'll go ahead and fix this back. What about decorations? If I scroll up to another part of a document I'm working on, I've got this really cool, like musical, colorful splash of aesthetically pleasingly awesomeness. All right, so I'm gonna view text. I've already marked it as decorative, and that's most certainly appropriate. The question is really, how do you know if there's enough info in your alt text? It's pretty simple. Think about it like this. If the image or images that are being read by a screen reader, if that was a conversation, would you understand what's going on?